The market of digital currencies has been a consistent fascination with dealers, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more critically, so in the new pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure over the extreme long haul. In actuality, digital currencies have shown a quite considerable cost development, exhibiting enormous center-to-long-haul gains. This large number of elements have been placed on a basic level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements, and afterwards showed the beginning of Qtum, all the more normally perused as Qtum. The local token Qtum of the Qtum convention is established on the standards of evidence of stake that is eminent to be a brilliant agreement open-source blockchain stage with a Steam Move convention. One can say that it brings the smartest possible scenario, Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain, adding the advantages of DeFi applications. The Qtum stage likewise joins UTXO exchange models integrating the execution of shrewd agreement execution and dApps. Qtum, the quantum calling with a particular target of causing brokers to have a solid sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and executed with lightning quick speed. Qtum drifted its own ICO in WAC 2017. With a charitable increase, it raised $15 million, despite the fact that in the beginning phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token. Later it moved to local blockchain, being onboarded to mainnet. The steerage at the groundwork of the Qtum convention is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper College and has made famous commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VetChain, Bitsy Gathering, and Mailink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two fellow benefactors are the CTO and blockchain engineer Neil Mahai and lead designer Jordan Dukes. As a lead designer, Steven Zhu is a lead engineer of Qtum beginning around 2017 who was recent with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product designer with a degree in PC Vision from the College of Chinese Foundation of Science. The Qtum project without a doubt has a world-class fragment backing the venture with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, fellow benefactor of Foreshadow and Iron Blockchain Capital. Qtum roots in development throughout some undefined time frame. The administration at Qtum understood the impediment of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to adjust, making the Qtum token more powerful and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients, tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related viewpoints concerning verification of work component and trouble of interfacing savvy contracts with genuine application. Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of unwinding two interesting innovations, record deliberation layer and decentralized administration convention, rising up out of Bitcoin with a savvy layer. The record deliberation layer coordinates the UTXO account layer enlivened by Ethereum. It permits clients to assemble applications and host them on virtual machines, including the Ethereum virtual machine and the x86 virtual machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set in a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications in order for Qtum. One more benefit with decentralized administration convention is that one can change the center boundaries of the organization to foster shrewd agreements like block size and gas expenses, and this doesn't need a hard fork, saving a ton of exertion and time. The whole local area of diggers, engineers, and Qtum holders inside the whole biological system are a vital piece of blockchain administration, taking an interest through casting a ballot, adding to self-administration, updates, and cycle. Qtum value figure, market opinion going by the past value pattern and specialized investigation. Qtum cost has stamped enormous development over the long run, which could be the essential justification for its prevalence. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $7.22, with a market capitalization of $715,678,389.17. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $178,493,092.94, with a circling supply of 99,057,395 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in view of past information and specialists estimating the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital money trades are summarized beneath. Qtum USD has a brilliant future in front of it in 2022. With continuous advancements occurring inside the Qtum biological system, we might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform its ongoing ATH at about $99.87 this year, assuming financial backers have concluded that Qtum is a beneficial interest in 2022, alongside standard digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As per our Qtum Cost Forecast 2022 and Specialized Investigation, the cost of Qtum crypto could hit $10.08, and throughout the following 5 years, it could cross the $13.94 cost mark, which will make it a beneficial venture. According to our Qtum gauge, the coin is anticipated to cross $10.24 this year. After the following 5 years, Qtum's cost may be meandering around the $58.82 mark in light of our future figure information. Qtum Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there is no monstrous instability ahead for the cryptographic money market, Qtum will keep on confirming its situation as one of the significant attractions, as indicated by the ongoing cost developments, verifiable information, and our Qtum figure. What's in store is splendid for clients. They ought to put resources into Qtum crypto to procure gigantic benefits, as it would cross the $9.83 mark toward the finish of 2022. Qtum Value Expectation 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a solid organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception after some time. In light of our Qtum cost expectation information, the crypto could undoubtedly cross $11.70 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum estimate depends on different elements like authentic information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so on. Qtum Value Expectation 2024. There are not many hypotheses proceeding for the Qtum crypto estimate. In light of our speculation exhortation, a Qtum value expectation of around $11.37 is determined for 2024. This conjecture is absolutely founded on the essentials of Qtum and earlier cost information. According to the gauge cost level, clients ought to put resources into this crypto to acquire strong benefit in the long haul. Qtum Value Forecast 2025. The driving forces cut the Qtum biological system. Subsequently, in view of our long-haul crypto estimate, Qtum is set to keep on exchanging with enormous force and effectively cross the value level of $16.40. A dumbfounding positive thinking is likewise anticipated for Qtum crypto, basically because of its persistent presentation throughout the long term. Qtum Value Expectation 2026. Dealers can expect that toward the finish of 2026 the reception of Qtum crypto cost would be diminished than the earlier year. The cost of Qtum could reach $13.68 toward the finish of 2026. Is Qtum a wise venture? Indeed, Qtum is a wise venture in spite of it is moderately new in the crypto space. Bunches of forces to be reckoned with have upheld this venture. This task joins the advantages from being founded on Bitcoin and Ethereum. It holds long-haul acquiring potential. Is Qtum safe? In view of a blockchain calculation, it is exceptionally far-fetched that Qtum gets hacked. As proprietors of Qtum crypto, you are at any rate bosses of your own wallet, and consequently supervision thereof falls in your fringe of responsibility. For what reason really do individuals trust Qtum? Qtum coin is the business confronted